Established in 2013-14, the Jadesil Fish Sanctuary was formed with the help received from the Department of Fisheries, South Garo Hills, Baghmara. The fish here are so used to human interaction that they actually follow you as you walk on the banks of the river. Tucked away in the forest of South Garo Hills, Siju, close to the Simsang River, lies the rock formation of Rongchang. Just a 5-minute walk away from the main road and you'll find yourself lost in this mesmerizing location. One of South Garo Hills' most popular destinations, the Siju Cave in Siju, is a 2.5-hour drive from Baghmara. A guide can take you on a short tour of this cave, but if you really want to explore this cave, then you may have to spend the whole day to unearth its hidden chambers. Another fish sanctuary just on the roadside, but this one is surrounded by beautiful canyons. Baghmara in Imangre actually allows anglers to fish for a small fee.
Nice.
Carved out of the Rongdig River, Warichora emerges like a scene from a Hollywood movie with its clear waters and breathtaking canyons. Discovered just recently in the dense forests of South Garo Hills, this location should be on your bucket list. For those of you who love the sand and sun, this beach by the Simsang River is the perfect getaway. Just a 5-minute walk from the Siju Cave, this destination is perfect for family and friends.